Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for coming back each and every time and clicking on these videos. I appreciate you, and I definitely appreciate you when you leave a thumbs up and you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. So this dance here that I'm going to teach guys, you know, sometimes instructor, we need a dance when those new people come in. You don't really want to stop the class, but you want to keep it moving. That's this is one of these dances. It's real easy. Also, it introduces the beginners to some of those basic steps. It's called For the Cool, okay? It is a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. If you're interested in dancing along to the music to this dance, I'll leave the video at the end. So just click on it and we can dance together. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, you want to get up, you want to move, check out my classes in New Orleans. Please call 504-251-0674 and I'll text you the details. Also, guys, are you coming to the NOLA Southern Experience? I've been saying it forever. We're going to have a wonderful time. A 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. If you've never been to one, please take this opportunity to come. Instructors, bring your group. The NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open and you can book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And come on guys, here we go. So let's stand on this side of the room. So stand on this side and look in this direction. So we're gonna start with what you call a Chicago basic, okay? And it starts on the left. So our weight is on the right and we're gonna cross over. Left, right, left, right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. We're gonna do that twice. Up, left, right, left, push, right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. So notice it's a shuffle, it's not a kick. A kick, your heels, you're gonna go, moves away from your body. On a shuffle, the heel go towards the body. Shuffle, shuffle. The heel kick is like out, but this is gonna come towards the body. So let's start again with the weight on the right, doing 2 basic, crossing over on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. Again, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So the last step is on the right. You rock up, recover, up on that left, rock up, recover on the right with a triple step. Left, right, left, and you rock back on the right. Rock back, recover, right, left, right. Again, rock up, recover, triple step, step back, recover, triple step. And notice we started the basic on the left and that starts on the left. Rock up, recover, triple step, rock back, recover. Ballroom turn, half turn, rock back, recover, triple, left, right, left. Coming back to this wall, okay? So what did I do? Rock up, recover, triple step, step back, recover, turn, right, left, right. So my right shoulder come forward, using that triple step. Cover, recover, right, left, right, rock back, recover, triple, left, right, left. Coming back to this wall. Let's do that again. Rock back, recover. Rock back, recover, half turn, right, left, right. You gotta do that footwork. Right, left, right. Left, back, recover, left shoulder forward, left, right, left. Okay, so it's almost like the rock recover, but we're doing a half turn. Rock back, recover, shoulder come forward, right, half turn, looking at the wall behind you. Rock back on the left, left, right, and come back where you started. Left, right, left. Okay, so let's put that together. So far we've only done 3 things. We've done our basic, we've done the rock recover, and we did a ballroom turn, making a half turn. 5, 6, Weight is on the right. Cross, left, right, right, shuffle, left, right. Again, left, right, shuffle, left, right, triple, left, back, right, half, right, rock, left, half, left. Okay, from here, when you come back, it's time to turn. Okay, so we got rock back, slide, tap. Okay, what we did, rock back on the right, triple, back on the left, triple, rock back, left, slide, tap. Okay, so we did our ballroom turn. So we rock up on the left with a triple, we rock back on the right with a triple. Half turn, right, left, right, tap, left. So I did a quarter turn, okay? So the dance is gonna move to your left, clockwise, okay? So we're gonna go right, tap, left. And to finish it off, we're gonna rock the four. Left, right. My weight is on the right and it starts over. So let's put it together. That's the dance. Let's put it together. So we're gonna cross with our basic, starting with the weight on the right. 5, 6, 7, and step left, right, shuffle left, right, cross, left, right, shuffle left, right, rock up, triple step, rock back, half turn, right, rock back, half turn, left, rock back, left, step, turn, rock left, right. Rocking for 4. Let's do it here. So step up on the left, right, shuffle left, right. Again, left, right, shuffle left, right, rock up, recover, triple step, step back, recover, half turn, triple step, rock back, recover, triple step, step back, right, left, turn, tap, rock, left, right. That's the dance, okay? I'm not gonna do it again because you're gonna be looking back at the camera. So let's go here. Starting over again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, back 1, 2, turn 3, tap 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, back 7 and 8, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, back 5, 6, turn 7 and 8, back 1, step 2, turn 3, tap 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, that's typically not the way that you would count a Chicago basic. A Chicago basic is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can count that way also, okay? That's it. For the cool. Let's go over it again. We start crossing with the weight on the right, cross left. Step left, right, shuffle left, right. Again, left, right, rock up, recover, triple step, step back, recover, half turn, triple step, rock back, recover, triple step, rock back, So right back, right, left, turn, right, left. Turning forward and right, left, right, left, right. That's the dance for the Cool. Leave me a comment, let me know how you made out. Instructors, this is the perfect dance for your beginners. When you get those beginners in there, and you also have your other people that's been coming a while, to save on time is something that you can call out on the dance floor and keep the class moving forward. So I'll be posting a few more of those dances where you can just call them out on the floor. So I notice when I get students in my class, new students, I have more, they beginner dances, but they're not the basic one. I don't have that many. So I'm gonna start putting more basic line dances so you can keep the class moving. You can just call it out and they can pick it up. You don't have to stop the class and teach those basic steps. They can pick them up on the floor and you can keep the class moving. Also, what I do is I send my class, my new people homework. I have 4 videos, and if you want me to send them to you, let me know. Leave me a comment and I'll send them to you. So instructors, when I have beginners, new people that come in my class, I send them homework. I have 4 videos that I did during the pandemic, and it basically gives them the line dance terminology. I'm breaking down the steps and I'm telling them the name of the steps, because I tell them that they have to know the steps, the basic steps, learn the basic steps. So I always send them homework so they don't feel so overwhelmed. And then what I do is I send them just a basic line dance using some of those steps to give them some homework. And once they've studied that video, I'll play that line dance in the class, because you want to make your beginners feel like they're getting something out of class. So that's the tool that I use. So let me know if you want me to send you those videos, I will. Or you can put in the description basic line dance steps and put my name, Linda Sims, and they'll come up. It's 4 videos. So please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. I would love to see you and your group here. The NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. It is next year, but it'll be here before you know it. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.